I am here to tell you about some new stuff. Shaklee just recently launched a few new products. They're very exciting. They're very good for your health. I'm really excited about them. I just tried for the first time the sugar-free, seed oil-free Life Shake. This is the vanilla. And then we also have chocolate. I did the vanilla because I like to blend raspberry and mangoes in mine. I also add my collagen. So I have a 30-gram protein smoothie here. And there will be soy options of the Life Shakes this month. Sunscreen. This is the other thing that just came out. This is an amazing sheer zinc mineral-based body sunscreen, SPF 30. And I'm going to show you how easy it is. It does not smell like sunscreen. It goes on super easy. You just squeeze a little bit out because I'll show you on my shoulder. Because I haven't put sunscreen on yet today. But look at that. So easy. I'm going to do a demo with my husband and my son too because they're a darker skin tone, so you can see on darker skin that it rubs in really well and it doesn't leave a white cast. Okay, then I'm going to tell you about Shaklee acquired Modere, if you didn't already know that. So we have all of Modere's products, and these things that I've been hearing a lot about, and they actually have a buy one get one free offer on them. They're chewable collagen, they're chocolate, they taste like Tootsie Rolls. You have 2 a day, and I don't remember what type of collagen it is. It's type 2 collagen, and it's a really great, easy way to get collagen into your diet. I blend mine in my smoothies, but if I don't have a smoothie one day, this is a great option. We also have the trim and the liquid biocell and all those things. And then this is really exciting. I tried this for the first time yesterday, is the sparkling protein water. Now, not everyone can get this right now either. So if you want to learn more about this and how to get it, tell me. It has 40 grams of whey-based protein. It has no sugar. It raises your natural GLP-1 levels, and it has leucine, which is a very important amino acid that helps you build and maintain lean, mean muscle mass. So I have all these things for you to help you get your protein, plus a free digital protein tracker. So we need to talk. Let me help you get the protein in your body that you need so that you can lose weight, feel great, and live longer, better.